Hey YouTubers, Mike Martin's here, Mike Martin's channel. Lots of love to everybody out there. Happy Wednesday. I'm at the shop today. I've already got a few people call me in the shop from different parts of Canada to say hi, and they watch my show. And they're very, they want to be on the Mike in the Night and on Trends in the Housing Market. So if you want to be on, guys, add me on Skype, Mike Martins 1980. You could be more than welcome to come on the show and discuss what is on your mind. Okay, guys, I got one here that's kind of troublesome because it kind of hits close to home because I know what I know what the feeling of it. Dad evicted over 3-year-old sons running and stomping and banging. What 3-year-old doesn't run, stomp, and bang? What 3-year-old doesn't act like a 3-year-old? Wow. Wow, and then they're evicting the... Really? Where's the compassion? Where's the compassion for each other? Oh, he's got a kid. Let him be. The kid's going to grow up. You know, he's got to go through these stages and blah, blah, blah. Where's compassion? Where are people, you know... Oh, I do so much for my community. Oh, I gave $100 to Syria last year. I feel good. No, it's these things like this. Loving your neighbor, understanding your neighbors and where they're coming for. He's got a 3-year-old son. Oh, I gave $100 to Syria last year. I feel good for myself. Oh, the kid's running again. I'm going to get him evicted. And you feel good about yourself for getting someone evicted as a 3-year-old because he's making noise? Dad evicted over 3-year-old sons running and stomping and banging. You got to be kidding. Let's hear what this guy here has to say. You got to be kidding me.
A New Westminster father and his toddler have been ordered out of their rented condo, evicted after neighbors complained that little boy was too noisy. CTV's Shannon Patterson reports on a case the father claims sets a terrible precedent for parents.
This is horrible.
You want to go on the ice?
Matt Estevan's 3-year-old son Marcus is the light of his life.
He's so good.
Kid's so
and
cute.
So much. I'm just amazed at how good of a kid he is.
So this father was surprised when several neighbors at his rented New Westminster condo made formal complaints that Marcus is too loud. Is he noisy?
He's not noisy. The challenge is that the building is a wood frame building. They could hear Marcus walking around. Sometimes he grabs a toy and he chases a cat or he drops a car. So of course there is noise. I'm not denying that there is, noise, right? But as I said, I've been doing my best to try to keep it down.
After 3 warnings and a final eviction notice, Estevan took his case to a residential tenancy branch arbitrator.
She sided with him completely on all counts.
In the ruling released Monday, the arbitrator said ongoing noise is from running, stomping, and banging.
You gotta
and
be
it
kidding me.
significantly interfered with or unreasonably disturbed another occupant. She found the landlords have made every reasonable attempt to resolve the issue, and the only option left is to end the tenancy.
She gave us 10 days notice, so January 31st, we're supposed to be out.
Estevan believes
10 days?
family because a child is noisy sets a terrible precedent.
You cannot police him to the point that there's no noise.
He's looking at legal options and new apartments.
Right now, my option is really to put all my stuff into a storage and stay with my mom until I find a place. Let's go. Bye.
A place for him and Marcus, where neighbors don't mind the sound of little feet. Shannon Patterson, CT.
You gotta be kidding me. You can't even make this stuff up. Are you freaking serious? And what pisses me off the most is the people living in that building. Oh, I gave 2 canned goods to the charity. I feel so good. I'm helping humanity out. Meanwhile, they're backstabbing everybody left, right, and center. Where is compassion? Where's the compassion for people? Where is looking out for your neighbor? Where is your son? Oh, I hear you have a son. I got a 4-year-old daughter. Maybe they should have a play date instead. No, they're calling and making complaints in their lavish wood-framed apartment. You gotta be kidding me nowadays. Everybody, and then that's why I left Vancouver, was because of this anti-socialness, this nobody knows your neighbors. Hey, look at the bright side. This guy moving out might be a godsend. Maybe moving back to his mom's might be a godsend, honestly. Maybe it's probably the right thing to do right now. Maybe it's better for family to come together closer. Maybe it's better that family comes and becomes closer as more and more society becomes divided between themselves. It's better to get your family on your side. You know what I'm saying? So there it is, guys. I'm really disgusted about this. You know, a Vancouver area man has been ordered to leave his rental condo over complaints that his 3-year-old son makes too much noise. You gotta be kidding me. CTV Vancouver found several residents of his building in New Westminster, BC, submitted formal complaints claiming that his son Marcus is too loud. Garbage. That's what it is. A bunch of garbage. Anyways, my prayers go out to him and his son. Lots of love. And you know what? This is just going to make him stronger. And it's going to make him realize, you know, what to look out for in the future. You know what I'm saying? Everything's a learning lesson. So lots of love to you and your family, sir. And I hope this message gets out. I got a lot of people watching me in Australia, in the UK, and in the United States. Get this word out. This can't happen. This is not fair. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below.